Good morning, this is Harry Griffith with TiteWire USA. We're in the business of helping you build fences. Now today we've got your Unroller kit, which keeps us from having to ship the whole heavy frame. So we have the hard to manufacture parts, the disc, which is laser cut. We've got the plate, which we've got the holes with the bolts, and we've got the rod, which you have to weld together. Now this is all about getting all of this in this one box where we can ship it economically. All right, then we have the trailer hitch, and we have the bolts and hardware to go with that. So you don't have to go to the hardware store. You do have to go to your local steel supply and build the frame. Now, here is the instructions that'll be in the box. It'll be a parts list and a picture of the total project. But you can go to the website and link the YouTube. Now right over here, we got, after you've welded these two parts together, you can use this part to measure and mark where you want your drill holes. Now you want to drill before you weld this together. As you know, when you drill metal, you need some force. So it's best to drill this on a table-mounted drill press where you can put these holes in here economically. So you take this, you cut these 4 pieces, 37 channel iron. This is a 3.5-inch tube. This is the other channel iron. Now we built this extremely heavy. You may want to save a little money if you're doing light duty, but these are the iron that you will have to have, plus an 8-inch, 2.5-inch stirrup plate right here. Now, over here, you take this plate, after you've welded this plate, use this to mark the bolt holes. This is a hole down to where when you stretch that fence up to 100 feet, you want it well done, you want it well positioned there. Now, we put some little plates in the side where you can leave this when you don't have the bolts. It'll store this. All right, now over here, you've got your trailer hitch. Now it's got all the holes in it, so you'll have to use this to measure. And if you notice, we have drilled 2 holes and 2 holes here. That's to give you 2 different heights, all right, whether you're using a truck or an ATV or whatever. But anyway, you put these in here and make sure they coordinate. Got 2 levels here, and then we got the bolts in the box for you where you don't have to go to the hardware store. And drill them first, and then you can put it all together. So you got a well here on the stirrup. You got 4 wells here. You can ship this. Let me show you the, put the disc in. Now, some people bolt this disc on the bottom. Some just leave it where it'll spin. And then you can put your rod down through this hole, put your wire in, put your rod in through the wire, and that'll spin that wire out. So you got a really great productivity tool here. Nowadays with labor costs, you can do it all yourself. Thank you very much.